during the COVID pandemic, before we had track and trace, before we had the vaccine, the only tool we had was effective communications to keep people safe, to ensure there was compliance, to give them information that they needed. And that's when you saw the power of communications. And then, like I say, if I talk about my own experience just a few weeks ago in Liverpool, where we had that major incident, which was really devastating for our city, my team were at the coalface of that. It was my team that were briefing the media. It was my team that were briefing our leader to go on and do a press conference to be able to give that messages of reassurance, etc., to the community. It was me that was looking at some of the things that were happening, or some of the language and rhetoric that was starting to come through on social media, that was briefing up to Gold, saying, how are we going to ensure that we make sure that our communities aren't impacted by this, because there is a narrative that's starting to play out, which is quite worrying. So having an eye on that, being able to have the ear to into Gold Command, having the ear to the chief exec, the ear to the leader, meant that we were able to ensure that our messaging and the way that we were coming across to the public calmed things down and also restored some level of reassurance.